Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I spoke with John. He suggested I send this over to you. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. The point of the video is to show you how you could increase the value of your company and your exposure online with the first page of Google. What you need is three key factors: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, of course, you understand every time that you type something here into Google, this that you're typing in is actually, those are keywords. Keywords is what Google uses to find websites that best fit the search criteria for what you typed in. Search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords that are typed in, and then they categorize these websites based on their content. And this is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 keywords of content on your website, depending on your competition and a number of keywords for what people are looking for to get recognized. Of course, this is the map section. We're all very familiar with this. A lot of people search here, something near me, food near me, auto repair near me. You are right here. That's awesome. This is done through citations, name, address, phone number, that directly link to your Google business profile. Once Google starts to see how many times this is coming up, it starts to connect to your business, and Google recognizes that and puts you here into the maps. That's usually done through directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Everything underneath this map is considered organic rank. Of course, then you have advertisements. But to organically rank and to get on the first page of Google, that's where backlinks, content, and keywords come in, search engine optimization. So I did not see you on the first page of Google under the organic rank, even though you're on the maps, and I wanted to explain a little bit of that. Maybe that would be important to you to understand. So we have your website, and of course who did Cooper Lake, because they're right here, number two, underneath the advertisement. And I also have Cooper Lake's website pulled up. And what I have is a tool called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs lets me see what's going on with a website, behind closed doors, if you will. They have 48 referring domains, other websites, and from those websites, they're picking up 595 backlinks. To understand a little bit of what a backlink is, um, I'm not sure what this is, smhg.org. It has a domain rank or strength of 43, but it's pulling in 2,000 views of traffic per month. So this is the traffic that each of these backlinks receive each month through the search, and this is the domain strength. So you want a fairly strong backlink with some decent traffic. This is what Google uses to build trust in you. A backlink is where one website links to another, and it's an endorsement of your website from another one. It's a major part in the rank structure and how Google uses that to recognize you and build trust and put you up on the first page and move you along. Not all backlinks are created equal. We need to keep this in mind. You do not want, for example, an ice cream shop that refers back to your automotive repair. It doesn't carry as much strength as another website or auto repair facility that is connected to you, referring back to you. Now, some other things that are important are the keywords. Like I said, every time you type something into Google, you're looking for exposure, you're looking for content and search engine optimization. You want keywords tucked in there, and it brings you exposure, more clients. Even though you are on the map, not everybody might pay attention to that. They're just going to scroll down to the first page. So how keywords work is this is the amount of volume per month that these words receive or these words are typed into Google. So this is a lot of, you think about this as 500 people would have potentially saw your website if you had keywords and content. Auto repair shop, and I do not know how to pronounce this. Simrina, I'm not sure. So I apologize for that, but 200 times. Auto mechanic again, auto repair, auto mechanic, 150. Let's see, airbag repair, 800 times. Air filters, 50 times. No, we don't want a name. So you're starting to understand Mini Cooper, let's see, Porsche, we don't want a dealer, but it's 70 times. You could get exposure for that. Certified airbag 200 times, airbag again, that seems to be popular. So you're here, Audi, I mean, that's pretty popular. People are looking for anything. Once you have these keywords in, I'm sure you can see that this is the amount of exposure that you would get from other potential customers that are looking for you. Now, when I take a look at your website and I pull you up into the same tool, you don't have very many backlinks, you don't have any referring domains, and you're looking at three keywords that are bringing you in about 17 views a month for traffic. So just to kind of take a peek here, you have your name, auto repair, sales, and Goodyear. You could greatly increase the amount of traffic to your website and potentially have more clients, customers, and that generates revenue. What I wanted to do was just kind of reach out to you. I mean, once you can see how this content backlinks and citations come together, and you'll start to move yourself up the competition and rank on the first page of Google, you can quickly see the value your business now has and what it can bring to you with the increased traffic, and get yourself out there for more people that are looking for repairs that you offer. So, with that being said, I hope you get a better understanding of how important a website is being built correctly with your content and your search engine. Obviously, SEO is important, and what kind of value that it can bring for you. If you find yourself wanting more info, we could talk. I can do some research, find out exactly what would be realistic for you and what goals you have for your business. And with that being said, I wanted to thank you for taking the time. I appreciate it and have a great day.